lovely, wonderful symbols. And now we get to number 15, the devil. So basically, if you look at the devil, instead of having the infinity sign, it's got the inverted star. So the energy is down. It's got it's kind of like the head of the goat, the kind of beast-like, you know, really traditional, yucky man. But I want you to think of this, is that you've got the woman and the man the same in the lover's symbol. This time, though, their tails are made like the trees. The tree of life is the tail of the man. The tree of knowledge of good and evil is with the woman. And it's as though the devil's flame is going into the flame of life here. But the most significant thing is the chains that bind. If you look at their chains that are binding this to the altar. And so consequently, if they want to, they could take their hands and unhook the chains over their head. This is big enough that they could get them off. This is the emotionality, when emotions rule you. That's all it is. Now, I've actually, as the years have gone by, if there is often, I don't want to say this, to me, if the devil exists, it would be our minds. Our minds really mess things up. But this is where basically there is no conscious thought. We're reacting, we're responding, we're tied up. Now there's a number of other symbols where things get tied up. But this is totally an emotional symbol. Now I want you to think about when we look at the journey coming from the Temperance card where everything is moving, and then you jump into this. Remember there's a saying that says a little bit of knowledge is dangerous? This is a case of that. This last 7 that we'll be looking at in particular I call realization. When you're learning, when you're going through everything, there's always something, and then you think you got it. That's when you trip. And that's when you begin to think that you know it all, you've got all the answers. Here we are, tied up in our own emotional, whatever you want to call it. And so we have to unhook ourselves from that. So I'm just going to, is there any questions? Yes or no?